Hey everyone, it's Perez. Did you know that a single clove of garlic contains over 400 active compounds? That's right. This little bulb packs a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. We're talking immune system boost, heart health support, and even potential cancer-fighting properties. But here's the thing, you could be completely undermining all those amazing benefits by making common mistakes in the way you eat and prepare garlic. That's why I'm breaking down the top 8 lethal mistakes to avoid so you can unlock the full potential of this incredible superfood. Get ready to transform your relationship with garlic and maximize its incredible health benefits. We've all been there, feeling a little under the weather and reaching for the garlic as our go-to remedy. But downing raw garlic cloves on an empty stomach can actually do more harm than good. Garlic's potent compounds can irritate an empty stomach lining, leading to heartburn, nausea, and even stomach cramps. It's like throwing a party in an empty room. Things are bound to get out of control. Instead of subjecting your stomach to this garlic onslaught, always pair it with a meal or snack. Think of it as inviting garlic to a well-balanced gathering in your stomach, where it can mingle with other foods and be welcomed with open arms. Adding garlic to your meals not only protects your stomach, but also allows your body to absorb its nutrients more effectively. So next time you're feeling under the weather, remember to be kind to your stomach and enjoy garlic as part of a delicious and balanced meal. Your gut will thank you for it. We all love the aroma of freshly chopped garlic sizzling in the pan, but here's a secret. You're actually sabotaging garlic's most powerful compound, allicin, by cooking it too quickly. Allicin is what gives garlic its incredible health benefits, but it needs a little time to activate after being chopped or crushed. Think of it like a sleeping beauty waiting for its prince. It needs a little awakening kiss. When you chop or crush garlic, you release an enzyme called allinase, which converts alliin into allicin. But this magical transformation takes about 10 minutes. So the next time you're cooking with garlic, resist the urge to throw it straight into the pan. Instead, let those chopped or crushed cloves sit for 10 minutes before exposing them to heat. This simple step will give allicin enough time to activate, maximizing garlic's health benefits and adding a powerful punch to your dishes. In today's fast-paced world, it's tempting to reach for supplements as a quick fix for our nutritional needs. But when it comes to garlic, there's simply no substitute for the real deal. While garlic supplements may offer a concentrated dose of certain compounds, they often lack the full spectrum of nutrients found in fresh garlic. It's like watching a movie trailer instead of experiencing the entire film. You're missing out on the full story. Fresh garlic contains a complex symphony of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that work synergistically to provide its incredible health benefits. Supplements simply can't replicate this intricate web of nutrients. Plus, many garlic supplements use harsh processing methods that can destroy or diminish the potency of its beneficial compounds. So while supplements may seem convenient, they often fall short in delivering the true power of garlic. Stick to fresh garlic whenever possible to experience its full flavor and health-boosting potential. Your body will thank you for it. Chapter 4. Mistake number 4. Storing garlic in the refrigerator. You might think you're doing garlic a favor by storing it in the refrigerator, but cold temperatures are actually garlic's worst enemy. Refrigeration creates a humid environment that can cause garlic to sprout and become soft. It's like sending garlic on an unwanted vacation to a tropical rainforest. It just won't thrive. Instead, store your garlic in a cool, dry, and well-ventilated place. Think of it as creating a cozy and comfortable home for your garlic, where it can relax and retain its freshness. A mesh basket or an open paper bag in a cool pantry or cupboard is the perfect environment for garlic to stay firm, flavorful, and ready to unleash its health benefits. So, ditch the refrigerator and give your garlic the VIP treatment it deserves. Chapter 5. Mistake number 5. Overconsumption of garlic. We've established that garlic is a nutritional powerhouse, but like with any good thing, moderation is key. Consuming excessive amounts of garlic can lead to some not-so-pleasant side effects. While garlic is generally well tolerated, Overdoing it can lead to heartburn, bloating, gas, and even diarrhea. It's like inviting too many guests to a party. Things can get a little uncomfortable. Garlic also has natural blood-thinning properties, which can be beneficial in moderation but problematic in excess. If you're taking blood-thinning medication, it's crucial to talk to your doctor about your garlic intake to avoid potential interactions. Listen to your body and pay attention to any signs of digestive discomfort. Start with small amounts of garlic and gradually increase your intake to find what your body tolerates well. Remember, balance is key to enjoying the benefits of garlic without overdoing it. Chapter 6, mistake number 6, not crushing garlic before cooking. Crushing garlic isn't just about releasing its intoxicating aroma, it's also a crucial step in unlocking its full flavor and health benefits. When you crush garlic, you rupture its cell walls, releasing those precious enzymes that convert allicin to allicin. It's like opening a treasure chest filled with garlic's hidden gems. Crushing also helps distribute garlic's flavor more evenly throughout your dishes, infusing every bite with its pungent goodness. Think of it as creating a symphony of flavor, with garlic as the conductor leading the orchestra. So ditch the garlic press and grab a chef's knife or even a fork to give those cloves a good smash. Your taste buds and your body will thank you for it. Chapter 7. Mistake number 7, using pre-minced garlic. We're all about convenience, but when it comes to garlic, pre-minced varieties just don't cut it. Pre-minced garlic often sits in jars for extended periods, losing its potency and flavor over time. It's like listening to a faded recording of your favorite song. It just doesn't have the same impact. Plus, pre-minced garlic often contains additives and preservatives to extend its shelf life, which can detract from its natural flavor and health benefits. Freshly minced garlic, on the other hand, bursts with flavor and aroma, adding a vibrant punch to your dishes. It's like experiencing a live concert. The energy and excitement are palpable, so ditch the jarred stuff and embrace the joy of mincing your own garlic. Your taste buds and your health will thank you for it. Chapter 8. Mistake number 8. Ignoring allergic reactions. While garlic is a culinary superstar for most, some individuals may experience allergic reactions to this pungent bulb. Garlic allergies are relatively uncommon, but they can range from mild to severe. Symptoms may include skin rashes, itching, hives, swelling, digestive upset, dizziness, or even difficulty breathing. If you experience any unusual symptoms after consuming garlic, it's crucial to seek medical attention immediately. Don't try to tough it out. Your health is paramount. If you have a known garlic allergy, be extra vigilant about reading food labels and informing restaurant staff about your allergy. Remember, your health is your most valuable asset, so don't hesitate to seek medical advice if you suspect an allergy. There you have it, the 8 lethal mistakes to avoid when eating garlic. By understanding how to properly prepare and consume this incredible superfood, you can unlock its full potential and reap its remarkable health benefits. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Secrets for more evidence-based health and nutrition tips. Leave a comment below and let me know about your experiences with garlic. I love hearing from you. For more ways to boost the benefits of garlic, check out my video, How to Boost the Benefits of Garlic. And if you're curious about other superfoods that might not agree with everyone, watch my video. Superfoods you should avoid if you have digestive problems. You'll find links to both videos in the description below, along with links to natural and healthy products that I personally recommend. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Let's spread the word about the power of garlic and empower everyone to take control of their health.